In this video, I actually use my iPad to walk through and create a pixel art NFT collection. It's gonna be 100% created on the iPad. We're gonna be able to control metadata, rarity. Y'all gonna get to see me build the layers, and it's gonna be 100% on my iPad. Now, if you watch any of my other videos on creating NFTs, then you know I have one using Photoshop. Well, by popular demand, I've actually found an application that you can use on the iPad and most mobile devices to go ahead and create an NFT collection. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, and so the app that we're using today is called NFT Maker. All right, now this app is an iPad app, and the creator of this app actually sent it to me and said, hey, give it a try. And you know what? Upon trying this thing, bro, it's pretty legit, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to use it. All right, so pretty much as simple as this. Now I'm gonna start out with a new project, and then I'm gonna come back to this project because I want to show y'all how to, you know, draw on it and everything like that. All right, so you're gonna come over here to make a new project. You're gonna start off with some base layers. All right, now you have your projects panel, which is what I was just on. You have your settings, layers, which we'll go over, add new color, NFT export, all the metadata, which was important. I got that question a lot in the comments. And then help, of course, which it kind of shows you how to use this, and it's pretty much self-explanatory, honestly. So I'm gonna just get in here quick and show y'all how to draw different layers, right? So the same principles that I on my Photoshop video apply as far as layers with any photo editing software. Now let's say, you know, this is my background. I come over here to the fill, pick a color, boom, fill it that color. Same thing, select a new layer, fill it that color. Now let's say I wanted this to be my base layer, right? My base character. I come over here, I come with the boom with the pencil, and I draw my base character, whatever it may be, right? And so you could do that, right, for whatever, like whatever base characters you have, you can just make a new layer, and then boom, it's that simple. All right, now that's the same as for any traits such as eyes, mouths, whatever you want, right? So now that you kind of have a basic understanding of how to do these certain elements, right? You like, once again, we're going through the different elements. You could come here and let's say we wanted to add special eyebrows or whatever, right? You come here, select the color. You can pretty much draw whatever you want right here within the iPad. And honestly, I think maybe having an Apple Pencil would even make this even better, but you can do this 100% with your finger. Now, this is a project that I spent a lot of time working on, and if you want me to be candid, I actually recorded this first, but it didn't get my whole entire recording. All right, so let's go ahead and go over this. All right, so let's break down the layers on this real quick, right? This is the background, and I'm gonna turn off the visibility of all these other layers when I go through this is my backgrounds, right? I got the blue layer, you know, and keep in mind, look at the bottom where it says the rarity. 1 is rare, 4 is average. So these are all average backgrounds, and then my green one is gonna be rare. And then boom, let's turn on my base layer. All my base layers, I got the rarity set on them, and then I got different eyes, right? Different sets of eyes, and then different sets of mouths. And these were once again just drawn just like this, like I showed you in the last module. All right, so notice the rarity I have on all these. Notice what I have. So now it's time to export these, right? This is how you export. So it'll tell you max variations with rarity, max variations with all rarity set to 4. All right, now with my rarity, I kind of want it to be set how I made it with the rarity. So boom, I'm just gonna go type in the number of images, and I'm gonna export them, right? And so boom, it's gonna start exporting those images, and this process does take a while. All right, so now that that's done, right, is you're gonna go into your files and boom, you're gonna have all of your files, all of your NFTs right here in your files, right? So then when it comes to exporting them, it's as easy as actually airdropping yourself the entire folder or whatever the case may be. All right, now notice, once again, notice in these, you see that green background is pretty rare, right? So in your collection, if this is your collection, maybe the green backgrounds, you have those listed for more. And once again, the metadata and all that you can control right within the app by just going in, typing in however you want it. It's going to be exported as a JSON file, so that you can put it into like a mass uploader or a bulk uploader or something like that. So I have a video where I do this process a little bit more in depth, and I do it on Photoshop. Meet me in that video, man. I love y'all. Let's get it. Hey man, thank you so much for watching. If you like the content on my channel, I want to ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're interested in learning how to acquire limited items, join my Discord. Not only do we share the information in there, but we also raffle off items, do giveaways, and all type of lit stuff. So join me in that Discord. Also, follow me on all my socials. I love y'all, man. Let's get it.